Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another recipe, Kele Modak. This can be made as a prasad during any festival or function, or it can also be made as an evening snack. This recipe is usually loved by kids, so let's see how to make this quickly. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from us. To make this recipe, the ingredients required are 2 ripe banana chopped, half a cup of rice flour, half a cup of wheat flour, half a cup of crushed jaggery. Firstly, in a mixing bowl, add the jaggery and banana and mash it well. Add the rice flour and wheat flour and mix them well. Take small portions of the batter and deep fry them until done. Now your simple and quick Kele Modak is ready. Do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day and keep smiling.